so the sound's really good. So here's what it looks like. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these multimedia boxes for your car for a very long time, and this one is a very highly reviewed unit. This one's from OneCarRadio, and it's called the SmartBox AI. They do have a SmartBox that's a little bit more powerful, but right now I have the regular one, and today we're going to talk a little bit about it. What this does is basically replicate an Android tablet interface using Apple CarPlay on your car. Make sure that you have a wired Apple CarPlay connection because this will be wired into your car. This will let you download any app from the Google Play Store, but will also give you wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So let's unbox this and let's get our hands on it. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So this is just the OneCarRadio Smart AI box. Just a few details and screenshots on the outside. Inside, it's a pretty small box, as you can see. So I'm gonna take it out. You've got the operating instructions, pretty self-explanatory, and just kind of gives you how to do it, how to connect it, what some of the other features are. As you can see, this has an SD slot capability to add media, and just basic connection settings on turning on your personal hotspot. So there's that, and here's the unit itself. It's, like I said, pretty small. Looks like a portable hard drive or something like that. And let's see what's under this. And the USB cable. So it comes with the USB cable, the unit, and a charging cable, pretty nicely packaged. And let us go into the car and get this activated and see what the setup process looks like. Okay, so here's the unit, and I had the instructions out. Really, all you do is you take this and you plug it into your USB port, plug it in, and it should on here, or whatever your car is, put up the Apple CarPlay, and this basically runs as Apple CarPlay. So give it a second. There you go, reading USB. Automatically goes into the launch screen. And what this basically does is it replicates its own operating system, or puts its own operating system onto this screen. Now, you don't have the internet because that thing does need to be connected. So I actually connect it to my hotspot on my phone. So this is what the immediate interface looks like. So now what I would do is on my phone, I would go to mobile hotspot and go to settings, Wi-Fi, and connect it to my phone. So it'll pop up my network here. I already did that. I already connected it earlier, so you can see that it connects to that. Pretty snappy, not the fastest, but pretty snappy. This little button right here is the home screen. You can go back a screen, so that because there's no back button if you're like going through an app or something, that's what you do. And to get that button, you just tap anywhere. Cool thing about that is you can actually move this button anywhere on the screen. So if you want it out of the way, you can. Let's see what this is. This is just a task list. That takes you to the car interface, and this takes you to the home screen. So now here you've got multiple different options. I haven't messed with these, so if you log into your Play Store, you can actually download apps, games, whatever you want. So in my head, this is like having an Android tablet in your screen, and you're just tethering to your phone to get the internet connection to be able to do whatever you want. And let's see what apps comes with it. Disney Plus, Speed Play, I don't know what that is, video. You can check out your own gallery. If you have an SD card, it actually has a SD card slot on the unit itself. And let's see what Speed Play is. Please connect Bluetooth. Smart AI box pops up there. See what it does here. Pair. Bluetooth connected. So now what? Let's see. Connecting. Oh, interesting. So this gives me Android Auto. I guess if your car doesn't have Android Auto, or that way you don't have to wire it separately for Android Auto. So yeah, so I guess if I go to Speed Play, that actually gives me wireless Android Auto versus just the tablet interface. So that's kind of cool to know, because I did not know that. because that was my biggest thing with these, is like I like having this, but I also like standard Android Auto for navigation reasons. But if I want to use a video, I can. So now when I click on speed play, it actually connects to Android Auto, and I can be navigating. And then if I wanted to watch a video, I could go back to the home screen and watch a video, of course, while I'm parked and charging or something like that. Other than that, this is the car. It'll take you to the car interface, go back to Apple CarPlay, YouTube settings, and all that. So there's not a lot, like this is the functionality I would use it for. Click on YouTube. This little button right here basically does give you the back button, the home screen, get out of there, go to the car interface. So if you want to go to the Kia interface, you can. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and type in a modifications, which I already searched for. Let's go to my channel. So it's not slow. I mean, it uses the it tethers off my phone. Let's go to videos. Let's see what the quality looks like. Let's play my latest one. It'll actually open the valve. So the sound's really good. So here's what it looks like.
So my 2018 E400 wagon does not come with a valved exhaust. In fact, the car is just designed.
So it's not bad. It's actually pretty smooth.
Which is great for when you're just cruising.
It's not jittering.
Hard or spiritedly, I want a little bit more sound.
Now let's check out maybe Netflix.
That extra level of engagement.
So we're gonna go to Netflix. Click on a profile. We'll just do this. Skip it a little bit.
Walker, the more of 1812 caught it once it's canceled.
Yeah, so it actually looks pretty good.
Now your mom's not going to be happy because you'd have to leave home, but this.
So let's exit out of this. And let's see what Easy Connection does. So I think this is where you actually set it up. So it says download app. I don't have the app on my phone, so let's get that on here. So let's see. I need to search Carbit link in Google Play. So allow, found an interconnectable connection. So now on the car, I don't know what this is. I guess this, oh, okay, so this is actually interesting. So this is connected to my phone. Let's do mirror. Okay, so now I gotta activate this, click on that, and go back here. No, I don't want to record. So let's try that again. Please operate on the phone. Oh, okay, so it technically records it. Okay, so there you go. My phone is on the screen. I'm actually gonna pop my phone open since I have a big screen. See what it does. So here's my phone. I'm gonna hold it like this. It actually makes it bigger. So now I've got my phone being mirrored on here. And yeah, so that works pretty well too. If you don't want to use the actual built-in apps, you can do that. I don't know why you would, because you got a much smaller screen, but you know, whatever. Not bad for what it is, and I'm discovering that I like it a little bit more than I first thought I would like it.
So let's talk about the pros and the cons. First with the pros, this thing is awesome. Simple interface that works really well with touchscreen, the videos play well, it gives you wireless Android Auto and CarPlay, and lots of functionality, and full app access on the Google Play Store. Some small cons, interface can sometimes feel a little laggy. You do have to turn tethering on to use the data, which is expected, not the product's fault. And the multiple interface options can be confusing. Overall, I'm super happy with this unit, and you can get a discount right now, 10% off with my discount code, and they're having a 30% off sale right now. Awesome product for a good price. Go get it. Thanks, everybody.